See, Oscar's starting to grow horns.
See his horn?
They come right up to the back door.
Hey, Oscar, no.
You ever been that close to a cow?
That's a bull.
That's a
Brahma
bull.
bull.
See the hump on him?
See the hump on him?
See his hump? That's a Brahma bull.
See his horns?
Boy, he
Oscar?
does have a hump now, doesn't he?
He's
Did he always
had
have a hump?
Tell the kids they can pet Bronx.
Yeah, you can pet Bronx. Come on. Come on. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Here, Oscar, you're such a pig. Such a hog. Such a hog. My Oscar. Here, Momo. Yeah. Just these teeth? These teeth, he's smiling at you. Here.
Go ahead, Fred.
Look at him looking.
Come on. Come on. Let's back up. Let's back up. Maybe, okay. Come on, Bronx.
Crazy, huh, Dave?
Come on, Bronx. Hey.
Crazy.
Yeah, play with Bronx.
Bronx?
Bronx.
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 I should know that. I come from the
Yeah,
Bronx.
from the Bronx.
I don't think the girls care. Hate to disappoint you, Pete. Daisy. What?
What are you guys doing?
Clean your mess up. It's okay. Pet him.
Now, which one is this one?
That's Duque.
Duque. And this is Bronx.
Yes.
And that cow is Oscar,
That's a bull.
a bull.
Brahma bull.
Cow is female, right?
Male.
No, he's a male.
Cow is female and bull
Yeah.
is...
You don't be a bull and be female.
I understand that. Daisy, we understand that, don't we?
Yeah.
Don't we, Daisy?
Yeah. See, Bronx. Oh my God! Look at him come right in.